Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to link Google My Business to Google Ads. Now the GMB profile, I'm going to show you how to link your GMB profile to your Google Ads account. First thing to do is log into your Google Ads account, click on the Assets drop down in the section menu and select Assets. Click the plus button and choose Link to any business profile. A pop-up window will appear. Click Link next to the business profile you want to connect your Google Ads account to. Now, it's as simple as that. What are the benefits of linking GMB to Google Ads? 1. Increase visibility. The ads can appear alongside your GMB listing in local search results. Enhance ad relevance. Google Ads can use information from a GMB profile to improve ad targeting and relevance. A well-maintained GMB profile can boost your ad rank in local search results. Manage your GMB profile and Google Ads campaigns from a single platform. By following these steps, you can unlock the power of Google Ads and GMB to drive more local customers to your business. It's as simple as that. If you find the video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe for more.